Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's delve into today's market summary, where optimism over US-India trade talks nudged the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty slightly higher, despite a minor dip in IT stocks. However, a record low for the Indian rupee against the US dollar, due to intensified foreign outflows caused by US tariffs on Indian goods, casts a shadow over the market's upswing. The market saw mixed performances today, with the BSE Sensex inching up 0.15% at 81,548.73 and the NSE Nifty advancing 0.13%. Despite this rebound, both indices are still down about 5% from their September 2024 peaks. Sector-wise, 13 of the 16 major sectors recorded gains, while small caps and mid caps remained flat. The rupee's vulnerability persists due to punitive US tariffs on Indian goods. Oil and gas stocks rose, led by GAIL, BPCL, HPCL, and Indian Oil due to positive brokerage commentaries. Contrarily, the IT index fell 0.5%, with Infosys dropping 1.5% ahead of a board meeting considering a share buyback. The market regulator's potential proposal to end weekly derivatives contracts affected BSE and broker Angel One, causing them to drop significantly. Looking forward, stronger earnings and a consumption revival in the second half of FY26, boosted by tax breaks, could drive the next phase of the rally, according to Viraj Gandhi, CEO of Samco Mutual Fund. The ongoing US-India trade talks continue to provide market support. However, the rupee's vulnerability persists due to punitive US tariffs on Indian goods. As we look towards the future, keep an eye on inflation data in both the US and India, as well as Friday's debt supply, which will likely shape market trends further. This cautious optimism about trade talks and lingering concerns over tariff impacts should keep us all on our toes in the days to come. Stay tuned for more updates right here on ABR Market Watch.